remember that we do not have any quarrel with China. We know that if it would come because of the Americans. The Americans are the ones pushing the Philippine government to go out there and find a quarrel and eventually maybe start a war. But I do not think that America will die for us. And yet, America has so many bases in the Philippines now. I am sorry for my country. And if God would allow it, and perchance, I would reverse the situation. I will remove the bases. And I would tell the Americans, you have so many ships. So you do not need my island as a launching pad or as a launching deck